Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get 15-inch alloy wheels, air conditioning, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.